When I do this, you feel the push. You can push too. You feel this here. But if I push and rotate at the same time, can you see? You don't feel anything. It's on your rear foot already. And you think that what's the word you guys were saying? The formal word is indoctrination. The other is, that's right, I hypnotized you. It's like you will say, he didn't do anything. I don't know why I backed off. I did, the power is there, but you can't feel it because I cut it down with the rotation. So Hong said, movement must be a revolution with a rotation. And everybody in China, this was in the 80s, says, I need a master to tell me that. Because I understand revolution, I went to school, and I understand rotation, like that's it? Let me tell you, the proper usage of these two created the universe. But I don't know who did it, but it was these two. Because that's yin yang. If you are Albert, you are always rotating, you're not pushing. If you are Gary, you're always pushing, you forget to rotate. But once in a while, you say, darn it, like I trained for 3 months, I forgot to rotate. We are either this or that. It's very difficult to be neutral. So we need the Taiji learning, that's why we use the word, it's about balance. It's about harmony. It's not about reducing anything. It's not about not doing. It's doing with something so that you cannot see the pillar if it's a big building with a lot of things to make the building pleasing to your eye. But all the things are there. It's not possible to have a building with no steel, with no pillar, with no balance. It's all balanced. So now our move here, if you go like this, can you see everything collapses? You have to have everything going forward and everything going backward. You have to have this here. But as you do that, you rotate perfectly for the opponent to feel like, I don't know why I just went in. I guess I'm a sucker for Taiji. It's because you are moderate. And this concept is crucial.